एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।
Doctors, nurses, other health workers, those who worked as frontline workers in the field, those who worked in containment zones, surveillance zones, our policemen, our paramilitary people, our sanitation people, our security people, and if I have to honestly add, all of you, the journalists, I keep them also in the category of the COVID warriors because all through they have been on the ground zero, taking all sorts of risks to report back the right information to the people of India. Large number of non-government social organizations who have contributed significantly to ensure that those who are having different types of services, sufferings, more particularly the poor people, their sufferings could be alleviated and we could ensure that we have reached this stage when we are delivering the vaccines now to the people of India. As I said, this is a huge exercise for us. This is probably the biggest immunization campaign against COVID anywhere in the whole world. India has tremendous experience of handling such issues. You know, we have already eradicated smallpox in such a big country. We have already eradicated polio, where we were home to 60% of the polio cases of the whole world. We have a very robust universal immunization program where we give a dozen vaccines to almost 60 crore children every year. And we also have had one of the biggest immunization campaign against measles and rubella. And today also we have put the finest structure in place for which we had been working and planning for last 5 months continuously. And this structure where these vaccinations are being given, it is all over the country in all parts, whether it's a remote area, whether it's a hard to reach area, whether it is a tribal belt, whether it is a village, whether it is a suburban area, whether it's an urban setting, whether it's a slum in an urban setting. Even in the remotest part of the country, system has been put in place. Lakhs of workers, starting from the national level to the block level, they have been trained for this exercise. Not only trained, we have also ensured that we had a mock exercise done in stages, ultimately culminating in a national level mock exercise to ensure that even if there are the slightest glitches in the delivery mechanisms, we adopt a preemptive strategy to correct them. Detailed guidelines have been given to all the people in the country, and you know we have a very technologically superb and perfect network app. Earlier we had a electronic this EVIN platform, which was a electronic vaccine intelligence network. We have now converted it into a CoWIN platform, which depicts success win against COVID, and this is tracking everything. The vaccine, its availability at various places, its temperature at various places, its transportation from one place to other, and it is also tracking every bit of information related to the potential beneficiary. All those who are being given these vaccinations, they are already on the platform, and now they'll get they got a text message in the last 2 days also about the place where they will be vaccinated today. Then this is happening all over the country. And now in the next 4 weeks, they will again get text messages, reminders about their next vaccination. They will also get electronically generated certificates of vaccination. And of course, all scientific protocols, all public health measures, and it is a moment to thank all the health-related officials, doctors of the whole country, including my colleague health ministers, and of course the Prime Minister of the country, who has been leading from the front, who has always been guiding us and taking and eliciting all support from all the chief ministers of the country. So I think there is nothing more. We have been sharing every bit of information during the whole year with all of you, and this is a very, very satisfying moment for me, and I would like to once again express my gratitude to all of you on this occasion.
एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।